Hello all, today we'll see how to add BGin zeros in Excel. Now this is how I need the data to look like. But in Excel, if I type 0, 1 and then press enter, you can see only 1 appears and 0 is missing. Now if in case I need 0, 1 or 0, 0, 1, we need to do a certain setting. Now in order to do that, just go with home. In home, you can see this number option. Next to that number, there is a small box which is number for across. This is nothing but the dialog box launcher. Just click on that, or the shortcut key is Ctrl 1. So just press Ctrl 1 from your keyboard. This particular dialog box appears. Here, just click on this number option, which is the first option, and then go with custom. In custom, you can see the second option which is there as 0. Just click on that. Now I have 1 0. Just add one more 0, just type a 0. You can see that the sample is appearing as 0 1. If you need 0 0 1, just add one more 0. If you need 0 0, just type one more 0. As of now, I need just 1 0. Just I leave it with 1 0 and then click on OK. So once you click on OK, now you can see that 0 has been added.